Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen Thenya, but you can also call me Tash. So guys, today's video, as per the title below, I'm going to do my one bedroom house tour since we are moving out to a bigger space, to a 2-bedroom house. So I didn't want to lose this content, so I thought, why not vlog for you guys this 1 bedroom, and maybe you can see a design that you might love to put in your house. So yeah, so guys, I'm still dealing with my acne since I delivered. Bado nangangana kutoa hizi acne and pigmentation. Hizi vitu ni real. Pregnancy humbles people. Anyway guys, nini ingine nilikuwa nataka kuambia. Forgive me for the background noises because I cannot control them. And also, if you have not yet watched my previous video, my baby shower video, kindly go watch. Also like, please leave a comment, and also subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And initango aje your notification. Aki nimesahau. Unajua it's been long since nifanya YouTube content. So finya hiyo notification bell. Ndio nikipost video, you'll be the first one to watch and also to be notified when I post a video on YouTube. So guys, yeah, and also guys, if you want me to talk about my pregnancy journey, kindly leave a comment down below. Also nimeeka some shots, some clips on my TikTok page. Go search Maureen Thenya, utaona nimeeka some, this part 1, part 2 and part 3 pregnancy series. Maybe you can go and watch there and tell me what you think about it. And also, if you want me to repeat the same on YouTube, I can also do the same. Kindly just leave a comment down below requesting for the same. And also you can also inbox me on my IG page at Tasha _T.A.S.H.A._. Yeah, so that we can grow together. Guys, we are growing. I can't imagine I'm moving into a bigger space, a 2-bedroom. Actually, the reason we're moving into a 2-bedroom is because we need a nanny for our baby. Juu pia I'm doing nafanya kazi ya 8 to 5. No, imagine you cannot work na mtoto, so you have to get a nanny. Yeah. So guys, let me just start this video niache ku ramble hapa. Guys, I left this detail out. My house is messed up. Kindly just bear with me. Juu pack vitu, like ziko tu kila mahali. So kindly bear with me, but because somehow neat. Yeah, if you enjoy, please leave a comment and also like. Please like. And if you have not yet subscribed na watch content, please subscribe. It's just free of charge, free. Please just subscribe. Let's grow. At least nikuwe monetized. Yeah, so guys, let's get right into the video. We are starting with the entrance. That is the door. So down here we normally have a mat, but currently all the mats have been washed up zinaka huko juu kwa rooftop. So currently we don't have any mats. So msiniulize kwa nini sina mats kwa nyumba. And also from the door tuko na hii dirisha, this wide window, and then nitakuwa quick juu there's nothing special that I'm showing, and also my house is not that big. So we have this coach. Actually, this coach tulipata like 2 days ago. We got it 2 days ago. Previously we had a 3-seater and a 2-seater. I'm going to insert a small video of the previous set. Yeah, so zilikuwa zinatoshea vizuri, but currently this seat is supposed to be an L seat. Ikuwa combined na ile iko pale, but because the space is too small, and also that's one of the reason why tunahama, because the space is too small to accommodate this seat. So hii seat inafaa kuwa L seat, but haiwezi toshea hapa. Right there we have that car stand. Nilikuwa nako kwa bed sitter, if you remember clearly. If you have not yet watched my bed sitter house tour, kindly go and watch it. So hizo chupa ni chupa za wine. So me, I usually DIY them. Na plan kuzispray with nichango aje, by the way. Na plan tu DIY nizitengeneza zikae poa. And down there nimeka tu vitu zangu, some artificial flowers. Hapa tuko na my baby's carrier bag. Inaitwa aje ile ya kumove around the house. Hapo ndipo nimeweka diapers, oils, blah blah blah, everything. That is my nursing pillow. This is the other chair. Actually napenda kukaa hapo nikimnyonyesha. So yeah. And here, this seat ilibewa immediately after nilitoka hosi because I'm a CS mom. Na sikuwa naweza kukaa kwa sofa vizuri. It was chaotic. And this table, this is my coffee table. I'm planning to change it. Juu ilichomeka pale na candle. But I don't know how soon it will be. Maybe nitakaa nayo maybe for some months, maybe for 6 months. Because bado hii meza inakaa poa. Me, I still love it. Ni hapo tu na hapo I'm going to decorate it. Maybe nitaweka zile books zinaitangwa deco books. Hizo. Nitaweka hapo ndio nifiche hapo kapata kamechomeka. Down there, hapo ndipo naweka my work laptop. Yeah, and let's move to the TV stand. Lazima nisonge huku because the space is too squeezed. So right there from the door we have my TV stand. Yeah, this is my TV stand. Tulipata kwa Instagram, a page called Cake Craft. I'm not sure if that's the correct name, but I'm going to insert the name right down below. So maybe if you're interested, you can go and check them out. These are fake flowers. I got them on Stage Market. This is my TV. Sikumbuki ni what inch. Maybe 45 ama 50. I don't know. Sikumbuki actually. Mimi na gadgets hatukuangi nini, hatukuangi. Speaking of the gadgets, unaona pale behind the sofa hapo ndipo tuko na Wi-Fi gadget. Yeah, and that's our system, blah blah blah. That fake plant also nilipata hapo Stage Market. It's very affordable. Actually, guys, waambie muende mkabuy vitu zenye hapo Stage Market. Things are very affordable. So the plant and the stand zote nilizichukua Stage Market. Yeah, that's all about it. All about the TV stand. Nyingine jongelelea. Pale chini ndipo naweka books zangu, my diaries, my Bible, and some few personal things. Yeah. So mjue space ni kidogo. Hapa ndipo tumeweka ottoman yangu, and then that's my pillow baskets. Hapo nimeweka vitu mob. I've already packed some few things. So there are some pillows, my ring light stand, a lot of things right there. And yeah. So previously this ottoman used to be here next to the door, and the TV stand used to be right there. And this stand used to be at that corner, which it also housed the Wi-Fi gadget. And the 3-seater used to be here, and the 2-seater behind me. Yeah, actually before we got this seat, the house was very spacious until we got this sofa. Next stage. So right here, this is the entrance to my bathroom / toilet. This is the washroom area. So hapa tuko na kashurak kadogo hapa. Hapa ndipo nimeweka some few pairs of shoes. Juu pia kwa wardrobe zetu tuko na hapo chini tuko na kashurak. Hapa nimeweka some few pairs zenye ukitaka kitoka unachukua tu unavaa, zile zenye ziko easily like zile our favorite, si hata our favorite. Hata hizi my husband does not wear them, so I wouldn't say our favorite. Hizo navanga nikienda soko ama nikitoka nje. Hizo rubber shoes zimebit, sijui kama mtaziona, but that kaplant nilikachukua Stage Market. Hapa ndipo tumeweka dispenser. Previously dispenser ilikuwa inakaa pale kwa ile kona. Yeah, this is my yoga mat ottoman. This is the house heater. Hii ndio tunashanga tukiosha mtoto. This is the extension housing all the cables from the TV, from the dispenser. Yeah, na hapo ndipo tunachajia simu most of the time, but pia kwa bedroom yetu we have another socket. Yeah, tulikuwa hapa kwa shurak. Down here, hapa ni buckets za mtoto wangu. This is where I put my baby's clothes and wash them from. These 2 buckets ni za mtoto peke yake. Na kale kako pale chini nikasoak nguo zake in case I mess nguo zake. Yeah, and this is the washroom area. It's quite large. I'm not going to enter juu iko wet. Na nimetoka kuoga tu sahi. So this mirror iko hivi juu. This water is very salty, na ikikuwa salty unajua iwezi osha mirror vizuri, so lazima ikuwe stained. Yani maji ya chumvi, I don't know what it does to floors and white surfaces. And there, hiyo kikapu I got it from Wariro. Sijui ni Mwararo ama ni Mwariro market. Ile kwa pale next to Karioko. Yeah, nilipata pamoja na ile basket nimeonyesha imewekwa pillows, and those are my hair products in that basket, and my shampoo, my conditioner, and those two things. Hapo ndipo tunaikanga toothbrushes and my hair combs, all the things that tunahitaji kujisafisha, blah blah blah. Those are the toiletries. Uko juu kwa dirisha, unitopex ya kusoak nguo. Yeah, and that's all about it in the washroom. So yeah. So guys, from the washroom unapatana na hii dispenser. Unajua hata siwezi vlog vizuri juu hakuna space. My goodness. So okay, acha ni zoom out. From the sitting room, next ni dispenser. Next to the dispenser niko na hii nini, fridge with my microwave hapo juu. I don't know about the gadgets, but najua fridge ni LG na the microwave ni Samsung. And then we enter the kitchen area. So from the kitchen, from the sitting room, the washroom area, the bedroom, we have a door right here. So immediately you enter the kitchen, we have my cooker right here, right there, and my gas cylinder right there. Sasa in the sink area pali nimeweka vyombo after washing ndo zikauke, and then I put them kwa cabinets. Yeah, those are the upper cabinets. Pale juu ndo tunaweka mayai, so my husband ananitoleanga kila asubuhi juu I'm too short, ananitolea ananiwekea hapa zangu za breakfast or lunch. I must take proteins, that's a must. And yeah, those are the cabinets. These are the down cabinets. Zinaitwa hivyo? I'm not sure, but I don't know, whatever. And then right here, after you close the kitchen door, kuna hii rack. Hapo chini naeka kitunguu, nyanya, that's the serviettes. And then hii dustbin niliacha kuitumia. Yeah, and that's the door to the balcony. Hizo curtains ni zangu za bedsitter za kitambo. I don't know if you remember them, but zilikuwa kwa hiyo the previous bedsitter nilikuwa naniziweka hapa kwa kitchen. Right there tuna hang tuko na hangers za ku hang pans, blah blah blah. That's the kitchen windows. The balcony, I'm not going to open it because it's chaotic right outside. Kuna makelele nyingi. Na pia kuna tumepaka hapo, anyways. Kuna like a lot of things ziko hapo nyuma zenye tumesha pack. So yeah, let's go to my bedroom. So guys, a lot is happening in my bedroom, but yeah, let's just check it out. So guys, when you enter the door, this is my baby's suitcase. This is where I store my baby's clothes. Chini yake ni stool, nimekelea suitcase yake. Then here tuko na baby coat yake. Hey, the baby coat iko na vitu mingi. Hapa nimehouse my bags za mtoi, and then 2 of my bags zenye wanatumia ku run errands kidogo kidogo hapa na pale. Those are my makeup boxes. That's a mattress that we give our guest. Hiyo ndio guests wetu ulalia wakikuja kutembelea. And bado hizo hapo ni diapers ziko and some gifts bado sijafungua from the baby shower. And this is another nursing pillow that I've not yet started using it. Naona vile ni rembo. Bado hajafunguliwa. Yeah, that's all about it. So the baby coat, nimeweka hadi skincare products zangu pale. So these are the products that I use for my skin. Kaini mob. Oi. So these are the products that I use for my skin. Nivea, Garnier, Nivea. Radiant, blah blah blah. This is for the evening, this is for the daytime. Yeah, and that's all about it for the baby coat. And yeah, this is our bed. This is a 5x6 bed. Hapa ndipo sisi hulala. That's the window there. Kitambo, before we had a baby cot, we used to have a big space. Like hapa ndipo nilikuwa nafanyia workouts, but after we got our baby, space imekuwa dogo. And then in 18 nilipewa hosi. Ile time nilikuwa naenda clinic. I'm planning to get actually not planning, I've already gotten a 2-stand net, which I'm yet to collect. Ilikuwa shipped. And yeah, that's the window. That's my camera right here. Unakumbuka kale camera ka baby bed sitter? Yeah, that's the camera. And then this is the basket. Ni mbili actually. Na karai zenye sipendi zikikaa kwa balcony ndio zisichomeke na jua. And that's my traveling suitcase. Hapo juu kuna kamat. Kalikauka so tulikachukua. Right there tuko na wardrobe zetu. Hapo kila mtu amehang towel. So this one is my husband's towel and that one is mine. Hii part ni yake na ile part ni yangu. So kila mtu ana hang kwake kwenye nguo zake ziko. Yeah. That's all about it for my bedroom. Tunakuanga na mats kila mahali. Mats. Hapa tulikuwa na kimat kingine kikubwa. But just tunahama so zimeosha. Bado ziko huko juu kwa rooftop. Actually, I'm tired. Ziko kwa rooftop zinakauka. So yeah guys, that's the end of this house tour. So guys, bye till we meet again in the next video. I'm planning to do the empty 2-bedroom house tour. So yeah, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye.